e to the power of 2x minus 4e to the power of x plus 3 is equal to 0. Firstly, when you have to solve for any variable, you want to make sure that the variable is on the left hand side of the equation and anything that is not the variable is on the right hand side. So in the case of the equation e to the power of 2x minus 4e to the power of x plus 3 being equal to 0, we have e to the power of x and e to the power of 2x, which have the variable x in them. However, positive 3 doesn't have the variable x, so we're going to move it to the right hand side. To do that, we're going to take away 3 from both sides of the equation. Hence, e to the power of 2x minus 4e to the power of x is equal to negative 3. Now we've got all the variables that have x on the left hand side and on the variables which don't have x on the right hand side of the equation. After that, what we're going to do is see if we can find anything common in the two variables. In this case, e to the power of x is something common. That is because it is in both of the variables. So if we factorize e to the power of x, we're going to get 1 to the power of x minus 4 being equal to minus 3. 1 to the power of any number is always equal to 1. So e to the power of x into 1 minus 4 should be equal to negative 3. 1 minus 4 is equal to negative 3. So e to the power of x times negative 3 is equal to negative 3. Now what we're going to do is divide both sides by negative 3 so that we can get rid of the negative 3 as it doesn't have x in it. So e to the power of x equals negative 3 divided by negative 3. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is equal to 1. So e to the power of x is equal to 1. Now, any number raised to the power of x, if it is equal to 1, then the value of x is equal to 0. Any number raised to the power of 0 will always give you 1. Similarly, e to the power of x is being equivalent to 1, so x is being equal to 0. So e to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So in that case, in this equation, if we plug in 0, we are going to get 0. So e to the power of 2 times 0 minus 4e to the power of 0 plus 3 is equal to 0.